Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hungry Fox, and today we are making what are we making today? We're making
ribs in the Instant Pot.
Ribs in the Instant Pot. And Jody did this about a week ago and they were awesome. And we have, what are these here?
These are
the
St. Louis ribs.
St. Louis style ribs.
You could use pork ribs, baby back ribs. We like using this, what we did once we got them out of the Instant Pot.
Amazing, and it does not take very long at all.
No, I'm just cutting open the package. All right.
She loves feeling that raw meat on her hands.
All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna set some paper towels down.
Jesse, you gotta move. Or buddy, whoever you are. All right. Bringing ribs over to
paper
paper towels. Probably gonna soak right on through there, but that's okay.
I can clean up the counter.
Messes will clean up.
So you want to dry your ribs, because wet ribs do what? They turn gray. They don't brown like they're supposed to. All right.
What about taking the silver skin off the back?
Nope.
Don't even have to do that in here because you'll see.
All right. I need to wash my hands.
Hand washing.
All right.
Hand drying.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we need to make our rub. And
we'll just put that over there. Okay, rub.
So I have 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I have just about 1/3 cup of salt. The recipe calls for
1/3 cup of salt?
Yeah, I know it's a lot, let me tell you, but you can't taste it.
Okay.
The recipe calls for kosher salt. I just use sea salt. And then I put pepper in. Now I need to, this is the recipe for,
we both have the sniffles.
Alright, so next goes in 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, but we just have Spanish style paprika.
Spanish style paprika.
Yeah. How many tablespoons are in?
What?
How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
I don't know. 6? 4.
All right.
All right, got that in there.
And then our next one would be a teaspoon of cumin.
Cumin.
Ooh, that smells like tacos. All right, there's that. And then next would be onion powder.
Okay, we're doing onion, not onion, onion powder.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. How much?
2 teaspoons.
Jess, calm down. Did that in the last video I made on my other channel. You need to stop.
Alright, and garlic powder. I'm just going to put what's rest in my garlic powder here.
Okay.
Because it's not much.
Yeah, it looks like a lot. It'll be num.
Next is cayenne pepper.
Alright, stop, guys.
And this we're doing 1/2 teaspoon. Alright, so there's our
1/2 teaspoon.
1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Alright, stop, guys.
Now we're just gonna mix this baby stuff together.
Don't want to use your fingers?
I'm gonna use a spoon.
Okay.
A spoon.
Mixing. Alright, use fingers. You wash your hands.
Yes. You watched me. Okay, so we're going to leave the ribs alone. Now we're going to put in, you can put in, it calls for beer. I'm not going to put in beer. I'm putting in beef broth. So in the bottom of your Instant Pot.
The Instant Pot. It's a lovely sound. We'll get there.
Okay.
Do we need more? Tip that upside down and we'll let her...
It calls for a cup. That's close enough.
We've got another bottle here.
I know, that's going to be used for slathering it.
Okay, slathering.
All right, and instead of beer, I'm going to use beef broth. Not a fan of beer and food.
And how much of that do you use?
A cup.
A cup. Okay.
All right. Now, I want a spoon,
Spoon.
and we're going to stir.
We mix.
Stirring. Do it.
Mixing.
All right, that's good.
Okay, that was probably really loud, but that's okay.
Now we're going to put on our trivet.
Trivet?
Trivet.
That's what that's called?
Yeah,
I
kind of something like that.
Call it a holder thing.
Okay.
Now what?
It's plugged in.
Turn it on.
It should be on already. Why isn't it on?
Ah, we're broken.
There we go.
There we go.
Okay.
It says off.
I know, that's fine.
Jody
That's
just
right
started
on
the
it.
dishwasher.
Okay, now we're going to season our ribs. Season.
Seasoning.
Yep. You want to be...
Do we need to turn that on?
no.
Oh,
Leave
all
it
right,
alone.
okay.
So you want to be liberal with the seasoning. This is a lot of meat.
I call that liberal.
And you're going to just pat the ribs. They've been good ribs, so pat them. Give them some love.
A little too much?
Yep, that's okay.
That's okay. And we'll flop it over on the other side.
Yep.
Make
I
them-
know I use too much, but you know what? I don't care. It's fine. All right. And we're just going to spread it around since we got plenty on the other side. Okay. No, keep going. Okay. Now we're going to put them in the Instant Pot, and you do not need to cut them. You put them right there in a
Just
circle.
like that.
Just like that.
Wrap them around.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Now these only take 25 minutes in the Instant Pot.
25 minutes in the Instant Pot, and then...
We'll make them nice and yummy.
Okay, we'll show you what you do after that.
All right.
Put the lid on
So
that
you-
sucker.
Yep. Turn it. Make sure your little knob is to sealing, not venting. All right. So then you go to, I can't remember,
We'll figure it out. Yogurt? No.
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
You do nothing. It's on high pressure, normal. That's it.
Okay.
Yep. See, now
There
it's
we
on.
go. So we will see you back here. Dum dum. So we will see you back here in about 25 minutes. Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, so ribs are done. Now I'm going to push my little button over to release.
I thought we were doing the slow release.
So I decided not to. Move your butt.
You can put your hand on. Told ya.
All right. As you know, you want to pull the lid away from you because all that steam is just crazy. So, I made a boo-boo. Before putting on the seasoning, I should have put on a layer of mustard on both sides. If you don't taste it, it'll probably be just as good.
Pull them out of there.
And we're going to
Lay
set
them
on here.
on this thing.
Yep.
Looks num to me.
Now, do you see some? Do you see the bones right here? You can pull one out.
Are you sure?
Yep.
They're probably really hot.
Just pull one out. Pull it out.
Did it pull out or break?
Nope, it pulled out.
Let's try another one. It's rather warm. Ouch. Alright, there you go. But we're not done yet.
No, we are not.
What do we do next?
Next, we take our good old barbecue sauce.
And what are we using?
We are using Sweet Baby Ray's. And we are putting some on. And we're going to brush. Because it looks okay, but we just need a little bit more of a jazziness to it.
I'm starving. And then we have to put it in
The oven.
the oven. So you gotta turn what, the broiler on?
Yep, I did.
Oh, you did. Okay.
Alright.
What do you want me to do?
Watch.
Okay. Our oven needs cleaned. Alright. So put those in there for how long?
About 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, these have only been in for maybe a couple minutes.
We were up to like 900 degrees, so I think we're done.
900, not 900. Okay, now I'm going to spread a little bit more of this on. This yumminess.
Want the brush?
No, I threw the brush in the sink.
Okay.
Yep. Stay. Just going to put them.
You're just gonna fork it?
Yeah, I'm forking it, man. Forking it.
We're forking it.
Alright. Alright. I'm going to cut John some.
I'll eat more than that. I'll eat half of it at least. Cut between the bones.
All these bones are in
They're angled off that way a little bit. Other way.
This way?
Yeah. There you go. Nom nom. You want the tongs? Okay, just do it that way. That'll work. Maybe. You want the tongs?
Nope. I'm being obstinate. There we go. Okay, so here's John's plate.
I think this is rather hot still, but we're going to give it a try. Very good. Falls off the bone almost. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. So as you can see, this was really quick and easy to make. Took us what, 35 minutes at the most. And Jody's got hers over here, which she probably won't eat all those, so I'll probably get some of that as well. But I'm gonna go devour this. So if you like this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.